Now for close round 15, after the last 3 chain, make a slip stitch top of first popcorn here, and this round finish. Round 16, we have to move top of next front post double crochet with a slip stitch, chain 1 just for a start, 2 front post double crochet around first, so 1 and 2. Now a popcorn around next, 5 front post double crochet popcorn, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now a popcorn here, 3 chain, 1, 2, 3, 2 double crochet puff stitch around next, 1 and 2. Now here 4 chain, 1, 2, 3, 4, a front post double crochet around first, a front post double crochet around next. Now here around this 2 front post double crochet cluster, so 1 front post unfinished and the other one around next, 3 loops on the hook and the cluster, chain 1, a double crochet top of this double crochet, chain 1, now 1 front post double crochet around next, a front post double crochet around next, 2 front post double crochet around last front post double crochet, 1 and 2, like this, 4 chain, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 2 front post double crochet puff stitch or bubble stitch here, 1 and 2, 3 chain, 1, 2, 3, just repeat the pattern, skip this popcorn and around next 2 front post double crochet, 1 and 2. Now a popcorn around next. I just repeat the pattern, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now a popcorn here, 3 chain, 1, 2, 3, 2 double crochet bubble stitch around this bubble stitch, 4 chain, 1, 2, 3, 4, a front post double crochet around next, a front post double crochet around next, 2 front post double crochet cluster, 1 and 2, now a cluster, chain 1, a double crochet, top of this double crochet, chain 1, here a front post double crochet around next, a front post double crochet around next, 2 front post double crochet around next, 1 and 2, 4 chain, 1 2 3 4, a bubble stitch around this bubble stitch, 3 chain, 1 2 3, and skip this popcorn, 2 front post double crochet around next. Continue this pattern, and I come back here to close this round. Now for close round 16, after the last 3 chain, make it a slip stitch, top of first front post double crochet here, and round 16 finish. Round 17, chain 1 just for a start, a popcorn around first front post double crochet here, so 1 2 3 4 and 5, then a popcorn here, 2 front post double crochet around next, 1 and 2, 4 chain, 1 2 3 and 4. Skip this popcorn, and around this bubble stitch make a bubble stitch, 1 and 2. Again 4 chain, 1 2 3 and 4, a front post double crochet around next. Now here 2 front post double crochet cluster around this double crochet and this cluster, so 1 double crochet here and the other one around this cluster, or completely around it. Now a cluster, chain 1, a front post double crochet around this double crochet, chain 1, now a double crochet, top of same double crochet here into these 2 loops here, chain 1, now a cluster around this 2 front post double crochet cluster, 1 and the other one around next. Now a cluster, 2 front post double crochet here, 1 and another front post double crochet around next, 4 chain, 1 2 3 4, a bubble stitch around this bubble stitch, four chain, 1 2 3 and 4. Now a popcorn here. Just repeat this pattern. Okay, I just repeat it. A popcorn around first front post double crochet, 1 2 3 4 and 5. Now a popcorn, 2 front post double crochet around the necks, 1 and 2, chain 4, 1 2 3 and 4. Now a bubble stitch around this bubble stitch, four chain, 1 2 3 and 4. A front post double crochet around next, 2 front post double crochet cluster here, 1 and 2. Now a cluster, chain 1, a front post double crochet around this double crochet, chain 1, then a double crochet top of same double crochet here, chain 1 here like this, 2 front post double crochet cluster here, 1 and 2. Now a cluster, a front post double crochet around next, a front post double crochet around next, chain 4, 1 2 3 and 4, then a bubble stitch around this bubble stitch, here 4 chain, 1 2 3 and 4. Again repeat it, popcorn, and repeat this pattern. Continue this pattern, and I come back here to close this round. Now here for close round 17, make a slip stitch top of first popcorn here, and this round finish